To use Apple Pay on your iPhone, start by opening the Wallet app, which can be found on your home screen. If you cannot find it, swipe left until you see the app library page and look for the Wallet app under the Finance category. Once you have opened the Wallet app, tap the plus icon in the top right corner to add a new card. You will be asked to choose the type of card you want to add, such as a credit or debit card. Select the type of card and take a photo of the card or enter the card details manually. You will then be asked to agree to the terms and conditions of the card issuer. Review the terms carefully and tap Agree to proceed. Your bank will then verify the information and you may be asked to provide additional verification, such as a phone call or SMS code. After your card has been verified, it will be added to the Wallet app and you can start using Apple Pay. To make a payment, hold your iPhone near the contactless payment terminal and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. You can also use Apple Pay in apps and on websites. Look for the Apple Pay button at checkout and tap it to initiate the payment process. You will then be asked to authenticate the payment using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. To manage your Apple Pay cards, open the Wallet app and tap on the card you want to manage. You can view your recent transactions, remove the card from Apple Pay, or update the card information. Best practices for using Apple Pay include keeping your iPhone and card information up to date, using a passcode or authentication method to secure your iPhone, and monitoring your account activity regularly. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Apple Pay on your iPhone to make secure and convenient payments. Apple Pay is accepted at millions of locations worldwide and provides a fast and easy way to pay for goods and services.